is going on, YouTube fam? It's your boy, TitanicFeet Jack, back at you again with another video. And of course, I got that heat on deck today. But before we get into today's heat, I would like to send a shout out to the TF gang. What's going on with y'all? How y'all feeling on this lovely day? Comment below. Are you guys in the holiday season yet? Just let me know how y'all feeling. What's good with y'all? And if this your first time seeing one of my videos and you would like to become part of the TF Gang family, here's what you do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, turn on those post notifications. And I need everybody that's listening or watching this video at this time, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. The more people smash the thumbs up button, the more the video get out to the viewers here on YouTube. Now, today's heat, you can see the box. We got a brown cardboard box. Yeezy 350 Boost. Let's go ahead and read the label. I'm not going to waste any time. The label says Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Color sea black, red. Size 15. Personal pair. Price on these were $220. Yeah, $220 retail. Let's go ahead and get these out of the box. You see that standard white tissue? Yes, the Bred Yeezy. Reunited and we feel so good. Yeah, I just did a little remix of that. I'm going to get the other sneaker out of the box. I'm going to give you all that 360 view like I do here. And I'm going to be back with you. Yes, we have the Bred Yeezy 350. Oh, I'm so happy they decided to re-release this fine sneaker right here. This sneaker originally came out back in 2017. And back in 2017, I was able to touch a couple pairs of these. When I say touch a couple pairs, I was able to get a size 11 and a size 14. However, the size 14 was too small, and being a resourceful guy that I am, I held them down and I saved them for when SneakerCon was here in Louisiana for All-Star Weekend. 2017, that's when All-Star Weekend was in New Orleans, and SneakerCon came down, had the event, and I brought these sneakers there among other sneakers. However, I sold both of those sneakers, and I'm not going to tell you what I sold them for, but I just didn't know any better. But I've redeemed myself. I got my size that I can wear, and another pair to my boy, the RH, helped me out. Is the RH, he helped me out, and was able to secure my other pair. But this size 15 I got on the re-raffle. I'm not sure if you guys were aware of this, but there was a re-raffle on these. Everyone did not pick up their pairs of Bred Yeezys, and they did a re-raffle, and I hit this size 15. That's how I was able to get this pair. But getting into this sneaker, you see it's basically the exact exactly what we got back in 2017. You got your Bred upper. You got your SPLY on here, 350. I believe the SPLY stands for St. Pablo Loves You. Let me know if I'm right in the comment section. Y'all let me know. But we got that in the red lettering. You got that strip. You can see your midsole. You got that black midsole lead to the outsole. Black outsole. You can see your white boost technology, your boost cushioning underneath. You got Adidas up here and boost, your boost tab down there. We got that pull tab back here. Pull tab is similar to the pull tab that we had on the static Yeezys. And on the inside, you can see all black. Comes with a couple tags on it. Let's read the tag. Yeezy Boost 350 V2 originals. You got your number to the shoe, stock number to the shoe. And you see we got the sizes for the different countries, 15 US. And there's the barcode. Not sure what you get if you would scan that barcode. And we got the tag with different languages on the other side. And they gave us a different little string this time. Normally we get the little clear plastic or the milky plastic. This one is actually like some knit yarn or something. Some type of string. But that's what we got on the inside of the sneaker. Looking at it, you got that fine stitching going up the middle on the toe box, straight down the middle of the sneaker, all the way up to the tongue. Just like we got them back in 2017. Comes with the black lacing. These didn't come with the infinity lacing. They kept it straight OG. And you can see back here, you got your 3 stripes. These are reflective. And looking on your inside, got a black insert. You got white Adidas Yeezy with the Adidas logo in the middle. Does come with some tissue. There's tissue stuffed in there. Both shoes are exactly the same. So guys, let me know what y'all think of these retro. And I mean, I'm so happy to have these back. I'm happy to have a pair I can actually put feet to ground. Trust me, these are going feet to ground. And were you successful in getting these? I'm just so happy I got these, and I got that help from my dog. I appreciate it, just like I tell y'all all the time. If you can help somebody get a sneaker, help them, because you never know when it will be your turn to need help to get a sneaker. Your boy Titanic needed some help. My dog came through for me. He know how much I appreciate it. And, you know, that's that. It's water under the bridge, baby. We move on to the next sneaker. I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. It's your boy TitanicFeet Jack signing out.